Hi guys, it's me, and today I'm checking out a setup made for anyone who wants a truly cinematic upgrade at home. This is the Sony XR77A95L, a massive 77-inch QD-OLED 4K Google TV bundled with a VLF728B2 full-motion wall mount and an HDTV screen cleaner kit. Everything about this package is designed to elevate the viewing experience and give your room a cleaner, more premium look. The first thing that stands out is the display itself. Sony's QD-OLED technology blends the pure contrast of OLED with the vibrant brightness of quantum dots, and the combination delivers stunning visuals. Blacks stay deep and inky, colors feel more lifelike, and the brightness remains strong even in brighter rooms. Whether watching movies or playing fast-paced content, the clarity and richness of the panel make everything feel more immersive. Sony's processing engine plays a huge role in how sharp and refined the content looks. The cognitive processor XR uses advanced AI to lift lower-quality footage and make it appear more detailed. The upscaling adds precision, reduces visual noise, and smooths rough edges so older or compressed videos feel fresh again. It's one of those improvements you immediately notice when compared to non-enhanced displays. Google TV UI brings all the streaming apps together into one clean and easy-to-navigate layout. It's fast, responsive, and makes switching between platforms seamless. Built-in voice controls through Google Assistant make searching for content quick, while AirPlay and Chromecast support give you easy ways to cast media from your phone or laptop. Everything about the interface feels simple, modern, and intuitive. Gamers also get plenty of enhancements thanks to HDMI 2.1 support with 4K at 120Hz, VRR, and low input lag. Motion appears smooth and responsive, making games feel more fluid. Combined with the HDR performance and Dolby Vision support, bright scenes and darker areas display more detail, giving a more dynamic look to gameplay and movies alike. The included VLF728B2 full-motion wall mount adds convenience and polish. It's sturdy, flexible, and allows the TV to tilt and extend so you can customize the viewing angle to suit your room's layout. Once mounted, the display looks sleek on the wall, offering a professional finish without visible clutter. The screen cleaner kit completes the setup by helping maintain the QD-OLED surface safely. Since OLED panels require gentle care, having a cleaner specifically designed for modern displays keeps the screen spotless without streaks or damage. Altogether, this bundle offers a high-performance setup for anyone ready to invest in premium viewing. The picture quality is exceptional, the interface is smooth, gaming performance is enhanced, and the mount and cleaner kit make installation and maintenance easier. It's a full home theater solution built around a flagship display. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Sony XR77A95L 77-inch QD-OLED 4K UHD Smart Google TV with AI upscaling with a VLF728B2 full-motion wall mount and HDTV screen cleaner kit, then please visit the link provided in the description.